Yenslime here, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be playing with, kind of reviewing a bunch of underrated slime shops that I happen to have traded with or gotten slimes from at Sonoma Slime Fest this past weekend, maybe a couple weekends ago, depending on when this video gets up. But yeah, I did a couple trades, I got a couple gifts, so I'll be reviewing them and playing with them in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and always don't forget to comment. So let's get to it. First, I have these two slimes from Slime by Sophia. I made her some place cards for her booth, so she gave me two slimes in return. This is Sunshine Foam and this is Grape Bubblegum. I'm going to start with Grape Bubblegum. Grape Bubblegum is a very sizzly, soft, and creamy butter slime. It has a really light, fruity scent, and I really like the color, and the texture is really nice. Next, we have Sunshine Foam. I did play with this before, and it is so crunchy. It is a clear glue-based microfoam, and it has a very nice, fruity, kind of summery scent. I don't know how to exactly pinpoint it, but it's really nice. Next up, I have a slime from Slimy Turtles. There's no label. I'm assuming it's a mint chocolate chip type of slime based off the color and the foam chunks. The slime is really glossy. It might need a bit of activator, but that's completely reasonable. Oh, that's really glossy. But it's really clicky, and I think if I activated it, it would be thicker. Here I have an 8-ounce deli container of a slime from Rapid Slimes. It is called Peach Perfect, which I really like since I'm a fan of Pitch Perfect. I really like the gloss and the clickiness and thwockiness of it. The scent is really nice too. It's not too strong, and it's a peach scent I haven't smelled before, which I really like since I really like peach scents. It's kind of semi-thick in my opinion. It holds its shape decently well, and I really like the gloss. The slime is actually really good. It's one of my favorites from what I received. And my sister really likes this slime too. Even though I played with this a lot yesterday, it's still really glossy. Next, we have an 8-ounce from Slimetastic City. I actually spoke with her a lot since we both won a competition at the event and we were trying to get our prizes, and she was really nice. This slime is called Lumpy Space's Snack Mix, so I'm assuming it's based off of Lumpy Space Princess from Adventure Time. From what I can see, there are yellow foam beads, some blue and teal foam squares, and some brown foam chunks. I never felt a slime with the foam squares, so I'm super excited. I really like the gloss. I'm not sure what the scent is, but it smells really nice. Oh, there are sprinkles at the bottom, and like some star sprinkles and some glitters. I think it's scented grape. I'm not completely sure, but it's a really nice and fruity scent. It's also pretty thick and glossy and clicky, and I actually really like this slime. Next is this slime from Island Slime Shop. It is called Campfire S'mores. There is tape around the container to prevent leakage. So here's the slime. We have some brown foam chunks, I believe, and some white foam beads. Ooh, look at that gloss. It smells like chocolate, which I like. I don't have a chocolate scent, I only have a brownie scent, so I really like chocolate scents. Next up is this screw top container. It's an 8-ounce from Slime Time. We set up next to them and they were really nice people. This is Pool Party. It has some large foam beads, some foam squares, and some blue foam beads. It smells like blue raspberry, and I actually have this scent because I talked to them about it. And it smells really good. It's really thick and clicky. I really like the gloss of it too. It's not the stretchiest, but I assume that it's slightly overactivated since they did need to bring it to the event. But I really like the scent, and it's super bubbly. Like, these bubble pops are so good. Last but not least, I have these 2 slimes I was gifted from Extra Slimes. I'm going to start with this 8-ounce container. It has a lot of foam beads on the top, which is really cute. That gloss is so nice. It has a fruity scent, but I can't pinpoint it exactly. This is not a thick slime, but it's very glossy and clicky, and it feels soft. I really like this texture. It's a nice break from like all the thick slimes. I love thick slimes, but sometimes when you just go back to feeling a nice and classic slime, it's just super fun. So this is really nice. And next up is this 4-ounce. It's a red butter slime. It's very soft, creamy, and spreadable. This is a good old classic clay slime, and I really enjoy it. So I'm going to end the video here. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you want me to make any other videos, leave them in the comments below. And always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.